In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round down numbers in Google Sheets. We're going to use a simple formula to take a number with decimals and round it down to the nearest whole number. This is especially useful when you're working with pricing, quantities, estimates, or any spreadsheet where you want to remove decimal places without rounding up. First, go to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet that contains the numbers you want to work with. Make sure your data is visible so you can easily reference the values you want to round down. Next, select the data you want to use. In this example, the values are already in the sheet, and we'll be applying the rounding formula to one of those cells. Selecting the data first helps you stay oriented and makes it easier to confirm you're using the correct cell reference in the formula. After that, click on an empty cell. This is where the rounded result will appear. It's a good idea to place the formula in a nearby blank cell so you can compare the original number and the rounded down version side by side. That makes it easier to check your work and understand exactly what changed. Now type the formula into that empty cell. The formula you'll use is equals round down, open parenthesis A2, comma 0, close parenthesis. Written out, that is up round down A2000. Here's what that means. The A2 part tells Google Sheets which cell contains the original number. The 0 tells Google Sheets to round down to 0 decimal places, which means it will return a whole number. So if the value in A2 is something like 8.9, the result will become 8. If the value is 15.4, the result will become 15. The key thing to remember is that this function always rounds downward based on the number of decimal places you specify. Once you've entered the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Google Sheets will immediately calculate the result and display the rounded down value in the selected cell. You should now see the updated result appear. If needed, you can reuse the same formula for other rows by adjusting the cell reference to match the number you want to round down. And that's all there is to it. By using the round down function in Google Sheets, you can quickly control how numbers are displayed and make your data cleaner and easier to use.